Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my lovely student of 11 degree. Are you bored study at home? I am very well, thank you. I hope you are okay too. Okay, all praises to Allah. We can meet again in English lesson with Miss Atun. But before we begin our lesson, please read Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you very much. Do you know what is our topic today? We will study exercise about explanation text. This is our 8th season. Ini adalah pertemuan kita yang ke-8. Topik kita adalah akan mempelajari sebuah contoh explanation text, because last season we have studied how to make good explanation text and then the generic structure and the definition. Ya, sekarang kita akan mempelajari contoh sebuah explanation text. Okay, let's start now. The aim in this season is to read, understand, search for generic structure with end of the text. Tujuan pembelajaran kita kali ini adalah untuk mempelajari, membaca, kemudian memahami, kemudian untuk mencari mana sih generic structure sebuah bacaan text explanation. Next, direction. Ya, sebelum kita mulai, saya kasih arahan dulu. Please open and listen your LKS page 47. Group work A. I will give you many explanation and then read again and translate into Indonesian. Ya, bukalah LKS halaman 47, kemudian disimak. Ya, group work yang A, group work yang poin A, ya, yang poin A. I will give you many explanation. Saya akan memberikan kamu pengarahan dan kemudian membaca. Ya, silahkan dibaca lagi dan ditranslate ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Saya akan memberikan contoh how to read it. Okay, next page. Ya, the title is smoking good for us? Ya, okay, maybe you know the translation of the sentence. Ya, there are many paragraphs. Ya, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 paragraphs. Terdiri dari 4 paragraf. Ya, I will read it. Oke, listen. Ya, silakan disimak. Is smoking good for us? Before we are going to smoke, it is better to look at the fact. About 50,000 people die every year in Britain as direct result of smoking. This is 7 times as many as die in road accidents. Nearly a quarter of smokers die because of disease caused by smoking. 90% of lung cancers are caused by smoking. If we smoke 5 cigarettes a day, we are 6 times more likely to die of lung cancer than a non-smoker. If we smoke 20 cigarettes a day, the risk is 19 greater. The risk is 19 greater. 95% of people who suffer from bronchitis are smokers. Smokers are 2.5 times more likely to die of heart disease than non-smokers. Additionally, children of smokers are more likely to develop bronchitis and pneumonia. In 1 hour in smoky room, non-smoker breathes as much a substance causing cancer as if we had smoked 15 cigarettes. Smoking is really good for tobacco companies because they have much money from smoking habit. Smoking, however, is not good for everyone else. Okay? Sudah saya ajari bagaimana cara bacanya, kemudian Anda bisa menyimak, kemudian melakukan kembali membaca dalam bentuk presentasi dalam VN. Anda bisa mengirim ke saya pagi ini. Oke? Tetapi apabila ada pertanyaan, ada difficult vocab, silahkan send PM to me. Ya, saya ulang tugasnya. yaitu membaca teks tadi yang the title is smoking good for us ya. In English sent by VN for today ya. Tugasnya adalah yang untuk hari ini adalah VN membaca ya, membaca. Presentasi membaca dalam bentuk VN. Kemudian tugas selanjutnya yang translate into Indonesian, saya kasih waktu 1 week after the lesson. Saya kasih waktu paling lama 1 minggu dari pertemuan hari ini. Jadi dihitung. Batas waktunya adalah jam 7 malam. Apabila Anda mengirimkan hari ke-7, maka saya batasi jam 7 malam, akan saya koreksi. Nilainya akan saya laporkan di grup Anda nanti setelah Anda mengirimkan tugas ke saya. Okay, don't forget to do your task. I always stay waiting your questions ya. Saya menunggu tugas Anda, saya juga menunggu semua pertanyaan-pertanyaan Anda. I will stand by for you ya. Okay, I think enough. Don't forget to pray and then keep spirit, keep your health ya. Jangan lupa berdoa, kemudian belajar, jaga kesehatan, keep your spirit. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.